What if I told you the person you're watching right now isn't actually me? This is my AI generated twin, designed to mimic my appearance and voice. She generates content and even earns money for me while I sleep, revolutionizing how I manage my online presence. So that was my AI twin, and this is really me. Crazy, right? AI is moving so fast. And here's the crazy part: there are creators right now that are making tens of thousands of dollars a month using their AI twin or AI avatars to drive traffic to products, to services, to all kinds of things, building huge AI influencer brands that are making tens of thousands of dollars. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can do the same. I have been playing around with this myself. And so here is my AI avatar taking a stroll on the beach, my AI avatar going out on date night, my AI avatar going horse riding, my AI avatar in total fitness mode. This is insane, guys. This is just the beginning, guys. This is such a new trend that the people that are jumping on it now are going to be like the people that bought Bitcoin at $30 and now it's like worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. So do not miss this opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can start making money with your AI avatars. I'm going to focus on two specific ways that people are making tens of thousands of dollars with AI avatars on social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. So be sure to stay tuned. Hello, star creators. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tate, and I help small content creators grow and monetize their YouTube accounts or Instagram accounts. So thank you so much for being here. So today we're jumping into AI. I need to let my star creators know to get on this trend and get on it fast, because AI is going to change the entire landscape of content creation. And if you're not jumping on what is going on and evolving with the times, you're going to be so left behind. And people who have already jumped on this trend early are already making tens of thousands of dollars. Now, there's so many ways that people are monetizing AI avatars and AI twins, but I'm going to be focusing on two of the areas that I think are the most important and the ones that I think are going to be growing the fastest in these next coming years. So the first one is creating an AI influencer. Now, pretty much anyone can be an influencer, because you can be anywhere in the world. You can be sitting in your room in your pajamas, and your AI twin is in the Amalfi Coast in Italy. You can be anywhere, you can be anything with AI, and people are already doing this. And what they're doing is they're not just creating influencers that just grow followings for no reason. They are creating influencers within a specific niche to promote specific products. And if you think that I'm joking about this, I want you to watch this short video by Callaway, who is a big AI influencer who kind of keeps up with the trends of what's going on with AI. Listen to what he says about this particular business that is using AI influencers to promote a simple product and making millions, not just thousands, but millions of dollars with AI generated influencers.
All these videos are AI avatared women talking about how on their wedding day, they use this disposable camera app instead of having to buy disposable cameras. And there are hundreds of these accounts. Now, these are actually extremely low quality and sound super fake and robotic. And still, many of them have tens or hundreds of thousands of views and all real human engagement. And wouldn't you know it, if you click through to the bio, they're redirecting you to search POV in the App Store, which leads to the disposable camera app. That app is printing $20 million a year, all with fake AI influencers. See, the thing is, if you don't live in the AI world, most people dismiss this AI content as internet noise and slop. But we have now crossed the chasm where AI content with AI avatars is actually working.
So just think about it. You as an individual can create an AI avatar or AI twin of yourself or of somebody else that is not a real person. Create an influencer that and start posting content in different niches. So let's say travel, fitness, food, entertainment, whatever it is. And then you start growing a following on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok. Brands start noticing you, you start getting brand deals, or you could actually be selling your own products. So let's say you are in the fitness niche. You create a fitness avatar of yourself or of a random person. You create content within that niche. You could sell supplements, you could sell fitness merch, you could sell just about anything within that fitness niche, meal plans, you name it. This is happening right now. AI influencers, AI twins are landing $10,000 brand deals. They're selling products, they're promoting products, whether it is affiliate products or creating their own brands and selling it with AI twins. So, this is just a perfect storm right now where you have free social media platforms where you can create content and reach tens of millions of people, tens of thousands of people for free on social media platforms. And then you bring in this new AI technology where you can create endless amounts of content without having to film yourself, without having to put on makeup, without having to show up all the time looking perfect, where you can have an AI twin that does everything for you. So, this is a perfect storm that you definitely want to take advantage of. Now, before we move on to the second way that people are making money with the AI avatars, I actually have a free guide that I've linked in the description that will tell you 7 different ways that you can monetize AI avatars. So in this guide, it'll show you exactly how to start making money with AI avatars, 7 different ways, because in this video, I'm just covering 2 of them. But go ahead and grab that free guide for the different ways that can open up your mind on how you can begin to take advantage of this AI trend. I've just recently become a co-creator on a full course called the Faceforward AI course. This is the largest growing course on AI avatars that is just hitting the world by storm right now, because this is the future, guys. This is the future of content creation. And this is a course that I am fully behind. It has a community, it has all the modules that not only teaches you how to create your digital avatar, but it also teaches you how to monetize it. Because, you can create your avatar, but you don't know how to actually monetize it and start making money. So this course is fantastic. I highly recommend it. If you're a total newbie, you want to get into this space, you want to learn how to create your avatar, you want to learn the multiple ways that you can monetize your avatar, this is the course that you want to take. I am actually in the process right now of recording modules on how to use your AI avatar to create an entire YouTube brand that will make you money on autopilot. So be sure to check that out. I will put a link in the description for that course. And if you sign up for it, I will see you on the inside. Don't sleep on this. Do not sleep on this. And that brings me right into the second way that people are making money with their AI avatars. So now the second way that people are making money with their AI avatars is to sell digital products. Now this one is my favorite because this is what I do. I sell digital products. It is my favorite type of industry because you create a product once and then you sell it over and over and over again. So your digital twin, your AI twin shows up daily or however many times on TikTok, in Reels, in YouTube Shorts, in TikTok videos, promoting your digital products 24/7, and your digital product is selling on autopilot. And I will show you some example of some people who are within the digital marketing niche that are making tens of thousands of dollars. So I'm going to show you some examples of people who are making money with their digital twin on Instagram and some of the type of content that they're creating. So I'm going to move right to my computer right here. So here's a mom right here who just replaced herself with an AI twin. This is her AI version of herself. And right here in the reel, she says, I don't own a sports car or a little cute puppy. I just replaced myself with AI on Instagram, and that is exploding my reach and making me money. And then she posts how much money she has made in the last few days, $1,911. Here's another lady that is using an AI twin. And she says, it's Saturday morning. I'm at church and my AI twin is already at work. So it works for all races, all shapes and sizes. Here's another lady that created an AI avatar for her cooking channel. This is just incredible, guys. This is incredible. Look at how realistic this looks. And this is only going to get better. And men are on this too. This is Daniel. He's actually a co creator within the Faceforward AI as well. That's his AI twin. And this is him right here. That's really him. And then this is his AI twin. So those are just a couple of ways that people are monetizing AI avatars. If you want to jump in on this trend, be sure to grab that free guide that I mentioned earlier, where you can learn 7 other ways that you can begin to monetize your AI avatar. If you really want to jump into this and you are ready to turn your faceless brand into a face forward AI brand, or if you just want to get in on this trend, you want to learn, you want to get in on the ground floor on this new trend, and you want to jump into the Faceforward AI, be sure to click on the link in the bottom to the Faceforward AI course. I would love to have you within that course, within that community, so we can grow in our content creation journeys and take advantage of this amazing opportunity. So I hope that was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next video.